Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely, tasteful, double bulb ornament that will go with any holiday decor. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Marty from Jazz and Marty, and the holiday season is already in full swing. And you know what comes with the holiday season? Holiday decorations, baby, that's right. So I wanted to whip something together that really showed my reason for the holiday season, because I didn't see any decorations that really spoke to me. Like, you'll see a tree here, a wreath there. Nothing really spoke to me. So I decided to whip this together, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Wait, before you tackle any big crafting project, you always got to follow the #1 rule, and that's always do your research. Okay, so here's what you need. Tape, it don't matter, scotch tape, duct tape, whatever. A pencil or a pen to draw with. A small bowl, you just need it to trace your circle. Scissors. A razor blade. A ruler. Gorilla super glue, this is like my favorite glue. It dries really quick and it's super strong. So some furry fabric, I got a microfiber cloth that I got from the Dollar Tree. T-shirt, cardboard, 2 medium-sized Christmas ornaments, and an extra ornament. We only using this ornament because we need the string, but it has some jingle bells on it and we can do something with that later. And that's it. First, you want to draw a large circle on the side of your bowl. Then you want to use your razors and scissors to cut it out. Cut the tags off, but make sure not to cut the strings. Next, you want to cut 2 pieces of tape and tape your bulbs together. You may need help because they roll around. Now you want to glue down the center of your bulbs. And set it aside to dry. Cut a 13-inch long, 1-inch wide strip out of your cardboard. Then you want to roll it up. Bring your ornament over and wrap the cardboard around the top, making an oval shape. Once it's the desired shape, you want to tape it together. Next, glue the bottom of your shape and place and hold it on top of the bulbs, letting it dry a bit. You can add tape inside for extra security. Try not to tape down the string. Cut a 12-inch long, 6.5-inch wide piece out of your t-shirt. Measure out 6 inches and mark it at the bottom. Use your small bowl to trace 2 half circles on the fabric. Use rulers to connect half circles on the end of fabric, then cut it out. You should have something that looks like this. Now measure and cut an 8-inch long, 6-inch wide piece out of your fabric. Measure out 4 inches and mark the bottom with a dot. Next, bring your previous fabric over and use that to draw out your half circles. Then cut it out. You should have 2 shapes like this. Flip your ornament onto a piece of cardboard. Then trace around it and cut it out. You can remove the tape from the sides of your ornament. Take shortest piece of cut fabric and glue a small amount between your bows. A pin can help really get in there. Next, you want to glue the side edges of your fabric onto your bows. You can temporarily tape the fabric down just to get it out of your way. Remove the bulb tape. Take your longer fabric and glue the edges and center down just like you did the previous side. Now glue the fabric to the inside of your cardboard. Do that for the rest of the excess top fabric. Remove the tape and glue that side down as well. Next, grab your furry fabric and cut 2 half-inch strips. Now glue the furry strips to the bottom of your ornament for trim. I tapered off the edges so it could fit cleanly. And now do the exact same thing for the other side. Next, you want to take your cardboard oval and glue it to your furry fabric. Now cut it out. Cut a slit in the middle of your oval piece. Next, we're going to carefully remove the jingle bells and the string from the third ornament. Now we can add the jingle bells to the strings inside the ornament, and then tie the strings together with the strings we just cut to make a loop. Flip cardboard piece over and feed loop through the slit. Add some glue for good measure. Then glue the cardboard to your ornament. Next, grab what's left of your furry fabric and cut a 1-inch wide, 12-inch long piece from it. Now take that piece and glue it around the top of your ornament. Just like that, you got a unique holiday ornament that'll bring joy and cheer to anybody who see it. And it's versatile too. Not only can you hang this bad boy up, you can also slap a wreath behind it and bring joy to your local mailman, mailwoman, FedEx, UPS driver, whoever. Christmas cheer for everybody. And if you don't want to bring cheer to those people, you can always bring cheer to yourself. Remember those jingle bells you put inside? Check this out. A little bit of holiday twerking. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And come on back to Jazz and Marty for more DIYs and crafting videos. And that's going to be the end. So like that, peace.